Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. But before we continue with this, you all may be knowing how VPN works, right? Wherein an actual IP address is masked and another IP is used to access the internet. And this process is called as tunneling. So in the same way, VPC also works. So what is VPC? It is a secure, isolated private cloud hosted within a public cloud, wherein the VPC customers, they can run the code, they can use and manage the computing resources in an ordinary private cloud. And this private cloud is remotely hosted by a public cloud provider. So let's see the architecture of VPC. So this is a VPC wherein you have two subnets. One is private, another can be public. And in the same way, the public subnet will be used to access the internet. Then we have something known as internet gateway, wherein it allows communication between VPC and the internet, right? And you also have something known as route table, okay? So in a route table, it decides, it has some rules, as in it will decide which packets to send where, right? Where to send which packets. It's like sending internet traffic to an internet gateway. Like it has rules, okay? A routing table, just remember that it has rules. It decides where to send which packets. That's it. Okay, so let's get to the practical side of this video. So we begin by going to VPC. All right. If you don't know how to get to VPC, just type here VPC and you'll be get going. After that, create VPC, VPC only. You can say anything, my VPC. And we are going to use 10.0.0.0/16. Okay. And then just create a VPC. So it is successfully created. Then we go towards creating subnets. Then you'll say create subnet. Choose the one which we have created right now. One we'll name as public. For availability zone, create one Mumbai. And over here, 10.0. Just type 1.0 and /24. This is a subnet, okay? This is the parent IP, and this one is going to be the children one. So it is always greater than the parent. So that's it. Now we're going to say add new subnet. Another will be private. First one was public. Now we are giving it as private. Choose another one, second zone. Okay. 10.0. Uh, we'll take 2.0/24. Okay. Because this is another subnet we are creating. Here we are taking one. So now we are taking two. That's it. And then create subnet. Okay. So this is how your subnets would be created successfully. Now go to internet gateways. Here you'll say again create gateway. Write anything. IGW. Okay. And then just create it. Now from here, you can see attached to a VPC. Just click that. Our recently created VPC is my VPC. Select that and attach. Okay, that's it. Now we'll go to route tables. In route tables, you're going to say create a route table. You can say RT for the VPC. Choose the one which we have created and then create. After that, you can see here edit routes. Click on that. Add route. Here you'll select the first one, which is anywhere. Then go and choose internet gateway from here. Click over here and select the one which you are able to see and save changes. That's it. We are done with that. Then move to the second, this one, subnet associations. This second tab. Then edit subnets association. check the public one. Okay. After you're checking that, just save associations. Right? Now you have to go to instances. You'll create an instance. So go to EC2. You're going to launch a new instance. Okay. So you can say my instance or anything. We would require, we'll choose Linux. Okay. Okay. Once you see free tier eligible, move ahead. T3 instance. Okay. Select any key pair. Next, now in network settings, you're going to edit. Over here, you're going to click My VPC because we've created this one. We don't want the default one, we want the one which we created. Select that. Okay. In subnet, you'll select the public one, which we just made. Here, you'll say enable. Okay. For security groups, leave it as it is. Then auto assign enable is done. SSH now. For SSH, you're going to say my IP. Okay. Then you want to say add. Then you're going to choose HTTP. You might be remembering in the previous sessions we used to allow HTTP and HTTPS. The same we are doing now. Click HTTP. Instead of custom, just say anywhere. Same, you're going to add another one. HTTPS this time. And then you're going to again say anywhere. That's it. Launch. Once you're done with this, we're going to go to CMD. Okay, as you can see, this instance is running. Okay, once you click on that, and once you say connect, go to SSH, copy the command, go to CMD. Okay, and as you know, we used to do the same downloads, and then we are going to paste that. Before that, we'll just wait for it to, for the green text to initialize. Anyways, let's paste it. Say yes. Once you're done, sudo update sudo yum. Okay, we are in Linux. Update. Okay, next sudo yum install. We are going to install a web server httpd -y. Okay, once you're done with that, go ahead with the sudo systemctl commands. Start httpd sudo systemctl enable httpd sudo systemctl enable httpd. Once you're done with that, you are going to copy the public IP, go in incognito mode, and paste it. It works. So this was the tutorial. I hope you understood and see you in the next one.